we're making strawberry cake. It also makes 24 cupcakes. I just want to say I'm really bored and I don't know what else to do. So I'm gonna make this. Yeah. So this might be a boring video, but I'm gonna edit it to make it be fun. I could just hand mix it. She said yeah. I feel like I can mix it in here. Yeah, I can. Who says no? Nobody, because no one's here. Except my dog. Just do this. So what you need to make this, you need a cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. So you're gonna open it. Fun fact, I bought 2 cake mixes because at the start of the quarantine, I really wanted to make cake pops. And strong. I feel like you guys can't see. So anyway, the start of this quarantine, I really wanted to make cake pops, so I bought a chocolate and a strawberry, and I was like, Baker Jenna, how about you combine? You know, like, what's stopping you from combining these two?
Want to know what is stopping me?
Well, I made
I'm
the
not a
chocolate
baker.
one, and I made the chocolate cake pop, and it really ended badly because I'm an impatient person, and so I didn't really let the mixture cool. So then it turned out really bad. So now I'm just making a cake. Since you have your oil with that reflection, your cup of water, and your eggs. Any eggs will work. These are just farm fresh. Your cup. And then oil. And then the 3 eggs. Oh gosh. Since angles are important, and I seem to not care as much with angles, you're gonna stir it. You're gonna mix it. This is probably when I really wish I just did it. Okay. So, I mean, you can either pan it or you can, like, do whatever your heart desires. But since you're... I feel like this isn't fun. I'm gonna edit it to make it seem fun. You're gonna get your pan. Okay, you're going to get your pan, not Pam, because we don't believe in Pam in this household, except Pam from The Office. Moving on, you're gonna get your pan and you're going to get your butter. Important thing about this is when you have cake mix or any type of, I'm gonna say creatures. Baking. I don't know what I even said, and my mind just shut off for a moment. So anytime you have like a baking thing, you always want to make sure you butter it. I think except like muffins, because you're technically using like the thingies in cupcakes, but anything, if you're baking in a pan, make sure you butter. So I buttered it, if you couldn't tell. Mom kind of uses like paper towels when she's kind of baking, so she gets like the sides and the crevices, because in case you didn't know. I don't know what I don't know. Okay, honestly, so you're gonna pour it in, like so. I don't think I mixed it all the way. It's fine. Salmonella has nothing on this girl because the blood of Christ is in here. You're gonna get a spatula, maybe. And then you're just going to ooh, yeah. So your cake is gonna look like this, and kind of just spread it around, even it out. So I forgot to preheat the oven. When you forget to preheat the oven, I love how I didn't even notice that until I thought about putting it in the oven. Since Jenna forgot to preheat the oven, we're just gonna keep staring at our lovely creation. This is why when I worked and, you know, I could have been a baker, they decided not to, because Jenna would have literally forgotten to preheat the oven, and then everyone would wait for the baked goods. That's why I was a cook, because I didn't have to preheat anything. Okay, I was on a different, I always explain my job, and then I wasn't a cook, I cooked the stuff that the actual cooks made. That makes any sense, doesn't it? Tastes like strawberries. No, it doesn't. It tastes like artificial. I also really want to make almond milk. It's been a dream of mine, but I don't have that cloth that you need, so I opted out not to. So I threw the box away. Why did I do that? I don't think I did, but I don't know what I did with the box. Oh, it's right there. So, 34 to 30. That's crackheadness. Hello. So right now we're gonna make vanilla icing. So what I need is 3 cups of powdered sugar. So take your sugar, your powdered, because you know. Oh, I dumped. Why is it so long? I could leave this part, but I won't. Oh my gosh, there's more. Why don't I just decide to cut this part out? But I think it's important for the video. Not sponsored. I have enough! Yes, we do, because the Lord is with us. So then I think it says 1/4 cup of room temperature. My mind literally went blank. Room temperature milk. So I bet my mom didn't expect me to become a baker during this quarantine. Look how okay. Apparently she didn't know. No. Ooh. Anyway, gonna get your milk. Also, you don't have to make this with milk. You can probably use almond milk. Actually, I would probably recommend doing milk unless you find that dairy-free, gluten-free. So, update. I did this wrong. It's fine. You're supposed to beat the butter first, and then add the, you know, this is what it takes being a baker. You're gonna take your butter. ASMR. You know, I don't think this is what he was talking about to perfect your craft. It's fine. Beat until smooth. So. Okay, but I kind of want to share this story. So, I have, like, I don't know, I think I put it away. So I have, like, this, my neighbor's house there. This is awkward. So I had this stick of butter, like this pack of stick of butter, and love how I'm saying butter. I sound like I'm actually from the South, which I'm from Illinois. I'm crazy. Oh, she's cute, but a psycho, a little bit psycho. I don't understand why it's whatever. I don't even care anymore. We're just adding sugar now. I wonder if it's you add slowly into the mixture. Baking! 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 I'm freaking doing it. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. Honestly, it tastes like frosting, so I'm not surprised. So the next thing I want to do, which is going to ruin it, I'm going to add food coloring to it. Because we have such a bright, lively... I swear if I drop it, I'm going to be angry. Anyway, some food coloring to it. And I have pink sparkles. Sparkles? Sprinkles. My freaking arm hurts, but this is what it looks like. On camera it looks really bad, but in person it kind of looks like a peachy color. And I added yellow. It looks pink, but it's yellow. And I added orange, which looks red, but it's orange. So that's what I did. I'm gonna check on our cake to see if it's cooled down. Not even close, okay. In conclusion with this time of baking Jenna, it's not even done yet. One thing I've definitely learned that I have a lot of dishes to clean. I'm going to wash my hands actually. Go on. Okay, and then my dishes. Well, not all of them. It's fine. We're gonna take, like, it's been cooling down for like a hot minute, so yeah, it's done. We're gonna take our icing, because guess what? Okay, well, that's the best I can do. We're gonna slab it on. Yeah. Okay, it looks brown. I promise you guys it's not that brown. This is what the cake be looking like. It literally looks brown, but it ain't brown, I promise you. Okay, wow. When you add sprinkles to the cake. Doesn't it look tasty, everybody? Like, come on. We're gonna cut it. I wanna try it. Do 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 do. I poked it and it seemed fine. But no, I just think it's because that's what it looks like. It's really good. That's good.